This tutorial is on KitKeeper. KitKeeper is the circulation system that the North Dakota State Library uses to track requests and check out kits. To access KitKeeper, you will need to click on the tab Services for Libraries and Education. Scroll down the list and select KitKeeper. KitKeeper provides the user with 3 different search and reserving options. You can search the entire kit collection, you can select a specific kit to reserve, or you can see what kits are available for a given month. When requesting a kit from KitKeeper, there are a few points you should keep in mind. Book club kits can be checked out by anyone with a North Dakota State Library card. This includes libraries, schools, and regular patrons of the state library. STEAM, STEM, fairy tale and folktale kits, and the outdoor exploration kits, as well as display kits, can only be checked out by schools and public libraries. The schools and libraries will make them available to their patrons. The limit of kits that can be checked out at one time is 3. The loan period for all of our kits is 8 weeks. Borrowers are responsible for paying for lost or damaged components of kits, including books, electronic components, parts, and charging cords. The determination of what constitutes normal wear and tear and what is damage will be made by state library staff. For more information about our STEM team, fairy tale and folktale, and other kits, please review the information provided in our STEM Kits LibGuide. The first choice is to search for all of the kits. The list is defaulted to alphabetical order. You may narrow down your search by using the drop-down boxes. By using the All Kits drop-down box, you can select a specific kit. You can also limit by author, genre, or all kit types. By limiting to genre, you can limit your search to fiction or nonfiction book club kits, display kits, or programs, which will limit the search to STEM, STEAM, and other educational kits. You can also use the all kit types to choose between book kits and non-book kits, or STEM, STEAM, and other educational kits. You can change the view of the results list by using All Info. The default has all information, including description and kit information. You can limit the view by removing the descriptions, or use List, which will limit to a title and author list. Once you found a kit that you're interested in reserving, click the Reserve This Kit button. Once you click the Reserve This Kit button, you are taken to a calendar of availability. The dates shaded in gray are not available. In this example, the earliest date to reserve this kit is November 25th. Take note, the date you select is the date the kit is reserved, not the date you will receive the kit. For example, if you need a kit for December 1st, you want to reserve it on November 25th. That way, our circulation department will have time to process that kit and get it sent out to you. When filling out the registration form, fill out the patron name. Requests for STEM, STEAM, Storytime, or Adventure kits are only available to schools and public libraries. If a teacher at a school wants to reserve a kit, a school librarian must fill out the request form. If a public library is requesting a kit, the librarian or appropriate program manager must fill out the form. Fill out all the contact information, including phone number, email, and name of school or library. After filling out the contact information, select the pickup library. If you live outside the Bismarck-Mandan area, we will mail the kit out to you. If you live within the Bismarck-Mandan area, please make arrangements to pick up the kit at the state library. The pickup date is the date that the kit is checked out, not the date that it will arrive to you. The due date is when you need to get it back to the state library. If you can send it earlier, please send it on its way. If you are mailing a kit back, please make sure you ask for a tracking number. This helps us out greatly if a package gets lost or delayed in the mail. Once you've completed the form, click Reserve This Kit. Other ways of searching for a kit is by specific title or searching a given month. To search for and reserve a specific kit, drop the search box down and select a specific kit. The reservation procedure is the same. To see what kits are available for a given month and reserve one that is available, drop the search box down and select specific month. After you made a selection, click Go. Select a date on the calendar and the available kits will appear on the side. You can select by title and follow the same reservation procedure as described earlier. Now let's review a couple of main points highlighted in this tutorial. Book club kits are available to individuals as well as libraries. STEAM, STEM, Fairy Tale and Folktale kits, and the Outdoor and Exploration kits, as well as the display kits, can only be checked out by schools and public libraries. The schools and libraries will make them available to their patron. If a teacher would like to check out a STEM kit, they would need to ask their school librarian to order it for them. The limit of kits that can be checked out at one time is 3. The loan period for all of our kits is 8 weeks. Borrowers are responsible for paying for lost or damaged components of kits. Borrowers are responsible for returning the kit. If you're using the U.S. Postal Service, please request a tracking number. For questions about KitKeeper or any other questions, please feel free to contact the North Dakota State Library at 1-800-472-2104 or 701-328-4622. You can also email us at statelib@nd.gov. Thank you.